Hello friends and potential friends. Just had to give you another look at some of the roses. Looks like bumblebees and other pollinators all over them. But did I mention that it's mulberry season here in southern Idaho? I put this tarp out 2 days ago, and I think you can see that I'm going to have to get out here in the morning and start picking up mulberries. They're all over in the tarp and all over in the grass around the tarp and all over in the tree. Even way up there at the top. Berries all over, and they're starting to really get sweet too. And every time I pick one, several more fall onto the tarp. What's really interesting is that this branch, and it's a big branch, for the most part, this is the only place that the berries are growing on this tree. That one branch is sticking out closest to me there. That's the one producing berries. Oh, it's also drawing in birds. But that's okay. They can have the ones up there. I get the ones that fall to the ground. And that'll be more than enough for both of us. But as I look around, the majority of the tree does not have any berries on it. There is one small section around on the other side where a few of the lower branches have got berries. But all the rest of these are not growing any berries. And I don't really understand that one. But that is a big tree. I know it's been here for a lot of years. But you don't see any berries anywhere over here. These are still more branches of the tree. But then as we come around here, there's a small branch growing out pretty low that has berries on it. And those ones are just as sweet as the ones around on the other side. I just don't understand why they don't grow everywhere. But if they did, we wouldn't have room in the freezer for them. And I don't think all the birds around here could eat them up fast enough either. So I guess just having one main branch that has berries is probably a good thing, because they're falling all over the place. Mom and I will be out here in the morning to gather up probably a few gallons worth of them. And I'll have to be sure when I get cuttings that I get my cuttings off of these branches that are growing the berries, just in case. But just thought I'd bring you along and show you this one more time, because they're not going to last much longer, probably another 2, maybe 3 weeks, and that'll be it. So we got to gather as many as we can while we can, and take the time to enjoy the roses. I'll see y'all next time.